know what you're thinking. Why make peanut butter from scratch when you can just go to the store and buy a jar? Well, my answer is because you're gonna make the best damn peanut butter you've ever made in your life. And it all starts with the raw peanut. Again, it takes time, it takes a little bit of energy, but when you start to think about all the things that you can do in your kitchen, start to think about the simple things, like peanut butter. We're so trained to go out and just pick up jars of things that they're really easy to make at home. And you can actually control the flavor of it, and you can control texture, and you don't need any preservatives because you're making them from scratch. I'm gonna use this recipe in a savory chicken dish. So I'm gonna make kind of an Asian peanut butter, if you will. So all I'm doing is taking raw peanuts. They're a wonderful raw product to have. If you're allergic to peanut butter, or you can't have peanut butter, you can use so many other substitutions. Cashews are probably the best nut to use as a substitute because they have the same creaminess as peanut butter. You could make walnut butter, pecan butter. It's kind of endless what you can do. And also, if you can't get your hands on some raw peanuts, you can also just use the toasted peanuts that you find in the store as well. I took them out of the shell, but they still have the skin on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dry roast them. About a 400-degree oven. We're gonna pop them in for a few minutes. They're gonna toast up nice, and then the skins will come off really easily.